Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss M and W patterns in this video. Before we proceed, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever there is a new video. So let's begin. M and W patterns are usually considered as M top and W bottom patterns with few differences. M and W patterns usually continue the prior trends, where M top and W patterns terminate the trends. Frequently, M and W patterns form during the congestion zone. M patterns rarely form at the market bottoms and W patterns rarely form at the market tops. The volume concept of timing is very important to their counterparts, double tops and double bottoms. These patterns are also closely related to triple tops and triple bottoms and head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulder patterns. Trades are initiated at the breakdown of the neckline. For W patterns, trades are initiated at the breakout of the neckline. Enter a long trade of the high of the breakout bar at neckline level. And for M pattern, enter a short trade below the low of the breakdown bar at the neckline level. In both patterns, the targets are set at the pattern high for W pattern and the pattern low for M patterns. For M patterns, the trade is protected with stop loss above the pattern high. For W pattern, the trade is protected with a stop loss below the pattern low. You can see in this chart, which illustrates a W pattern formation at the market highs from the Russell M-mini chart. After confirmation of the second leg, a long trade is entered at the breakout of the neckline level. Enter a long trade above the high of the breakout bar of the hump level. Place a stop loss order below the low of the pattern. Set a target of swing high prior to the first leg. Now let's have a look at the M pattern. This chart illustrates a combination of M pattern top. M pattern is an occurrence where prices form a M-shaped pattern in a congestion zone prior to the trend continuation. M top is a clear top formation and reversal of the trend changes. M pattern and M tops are tradable and have clear trading rules and have high reliability. In addition, they are part of the 5-point Gartley structure with similar trading rules as Gartley patterns. The major difference between these is M pattern continue in the prior direction compared to the M top, which terminates the prior trend.